Hi, everyone. Are you a senior who feels overwhelmed by cleaning your home? Or maybe you have a loved one who's struggling to keep up with housework. Today, I want to share something that can make a huge difference, and it's not what you might think. It's not about buying more cleaning products or working harder. It's about decluttering. Stick around because I'll share 6 powerful reasons why decluttering should be your first step to easier daily cleaning. Reason 1. Stay safe and prevent falls. First, let's talk about safety. When you have too much stuff around your house, it creates danger zones. Books on the floor, extra furniture in walkways, or piles of clothes can all become tripping hazards. For seniors, a fall can be serious, even life-changing. By clearing out unnecessary items and keeping walkways open, you're making your home much safer to move around in. Reason 2. Reduce stress and feel more peaceful. Here's something interesting. Scientists have discovered that clutter actually makes our bodies produce stress hormones. That means when your house is messy and crowded, your body feels anxious even when you don't realize it. When you declutter, you create a calm, peaceful space that helps you feel more relaxed. Many people even sleep better in a tidy room. Reason 3. Breathe easier with better air quality. Too much stuff means more surfaces collecting dust, and dust can make it harder to breathe, especially if you have allergies or breathing problems. When you have fewer things in your home, it's much easier to dust and clean regularly. This means cleaner air and better health for you. Reason 4. Think more clearly. Visual clutter. That's when you have too many things to look at, can make it hard to focus and remember things. This is especially important for seniors. When your space is organized and simple, your mind can work better. You'll find it easier to concentrate and remember where you put things. Reason 5. Make daily cleaning so much easier. This one's obvious but so important. When you have fewer things, cleaning becomes quick and simple. You can wipe down surfaces faster, vacuum more easily, and put things away without struggle. Instead of spending hours cleaning, you might only need 15 to 20 minutes a day to keep everything looking nice. Reason 6. Feel proud and happy. Finally, there's something wonderful that happens when you declutter. You feel accomplished. Even clearing out one drawer or one small area gives you a sense of success. This feeling of being in control of your space can boost your mood and make you happier in your own home. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I start? Here are my top tips for seniors beginning to declutter. Start small. Don't try to do your whole house in one day. Pick one drawer, one shelf, or one small area. Use the 3-box method. Get 3 boxes labeled Keep, Donate, and Throw Away. This makes decisions easier. Ask simple questions. For each item, ask yourself, have I used this in the past year? And, does this make my life better or easier? Get help if you need it. There's no shame in asking family, friends, or professional organizers for help. Take breaks. This isn't a race. Take breaks when you need them. Remember, you don't have to get rid of things that truly matter to you. This isn't about living with nothing. It's about keeping what serves you and letting go of what doesn't. Every small step counts, and you'll be amazed at how much better you feel with less clutter around you. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on healthy, happy living for seniors. In the comments below, tell me, what's one area of your home you'd like to declutter first? I read every comment and love hearing from you. And remember, decluttering isn't just about cleaning. It's about creating a safe, peaceful, healthy space where you can enjoy your golden years to the fullest. You deserve to live in a home that supports your well-being, not one that stresses you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.